Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get RTHRO, I think how you say it, on Roblox or RTHRO. I don't really know how to say it, but you guys know what I mean. So, you know the normal Roblox character, but this is not the Roblox character, and I just found out how to do it. And look, so this is what you should like. Excuse my friend. This is what normal stuff should look like, and then you can turn your avatar into this. And by the way, go friend me at XX Unicorns Are Real 1XX and pause the screen if you want to. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so as you can see, my friend right here, she has it. So she has the, whatever it's called. If I press here, hold on, let me log into another account and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on my other backup account called Pink Mermaid or whatever. Okay, so as you can see, this is my main account. I'm just on it right now. So if you click on the Android body, you cannot get it. You can't get it. It says that item is not for sale. But what you can do is you type the first 3 letters, the high C's, as you can see, the high C's, and you go to catalog and you press it and it will be free. So I'm just gonna get that right now. Yeah, so just get ready for it. And another one you could do is you can do, what is it called? Okay, let me go see on my other account what the other one is called, because I know there's another one that I got. So I'm just gonna check my inventory and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just found out it's called City Life Man. So you go on catalog and there it is. It will be City Life Woman. So you can just get that. And by the way, it says right here, it says the RTHRO. I don't really know how to say it. And it includes all this stuff. It includes the animation, and this is all free, no Robux. If you don't have Robux like this one, because I don't have, this is my backup account, then don't worry, this got you covered. And look at the cute hair and the face it has. So I'm gonna change my avatar, because this is the normal one. So I'm gonna put all this stuff on. See? So I think it's really cute. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you just learned how to do it, comment down below. Which one do you like better? Do you like, hold on guys. So do you like City Life Woman right here that includes all this stuff? Or do you like the high C's better? I know this isn't loading, but all this stuff. I kind of like this one better because it includes more fun stuff. Like you get a hat, you get like a full body with all the stuff. You get a cute face. So yeah, comment down below. Bye guys.